Hello friends, welcome to my YouTube channel Excel Freak. Today the problem statement that I have for all of you is that I have this set of data which has first name, last name and the address related details of couple of individuals, and I want to send them all similar kind of a letter, or you can say I have a letter drafted and I just need the envelope to be printed with these details. Now, I don't want to make that effort of, putting in these details probably 10 times or 12 times or the number of times these, people are there. I want it all to be done in a single click. I want to precisely, save my time in doing that repetitive work. And here, one of the most important features that we are going to be talking about is known as mail merge. Mail merge is something that is part of MS Word, and along with MS Excel as the base, it is used to send out mails or create labels or send out letters, envelopes to multiple folks just basis the data that you have in Excel. So let me not talk more about this and let me show you how this is done. So this is the data. This is the data dump that I have created. Now I'm moving on to my Word file over here. This is my Word file that I probably want to share, and let's say I want to share envelopes or I want to print envelopes over here. In your Word tab, you have mailing as a tab. When I click here, I can see I have this start mail merge as one of the options. Let me click on it. And now it will ask me, okay, what is it that one thing that I want to incorporate in my mail merge? So let's say I want to pick up envelopes. Okay. As soon as I pick this up, it's going to take some time because it's going to change the alignment and formatting of my screen. It is asking me what is my size of the envelope, what are the printing options. I can select whatever I want to. And once I click OK, and this is the fresh document that I have got. Okay, and this is basically my area for label. Let me just take it towards center. Now in the select recipients field is basically where I will take into account my data dump or the data that I have created in my Excel. Since it's already existing somewhere on my system, I will use the option use existing list. If you want, you can type in altogether a new list over here. Going on to my desktop, Excel Freak, and I have my file over here. Once I selected it, it will ask me, okay, which sheet do you really want to select? And I have the sheet mail merge over here. Okay, now what happens is I have this insert merge fields. I can select each of the header label of my Excel data that I had created and put it here in my Word in a particular sequential order basis my choice. So I want the first name and then I want to put in a space and I want to add my last name. I want to hit enter and take the address. Okay, post this, my city comes in and next comes in the state. It works perfectly fine. Do I want to insert any kind of greeting line? Maybe, okay. Dear so and so, yes, works well for me. Okay, so here comes my greeting line. Let's just take it slightly here. Okay, works well. Okay, now let's look at the preview results to see, okay, how are my results coming forth? And this is how it is coming. So maybe I don't want my Dear John Smith to be here. Let's just delete this and let's bring it after our label. Maybe somewhere here. Maybe, maybe we're starting a letter here, let's assume. And here we go, right? Now, this is right now showing you the result of only one particular entry of one page. You can see here under the preview results, it shows 1 because it's page 1. Also, if you go to the bottom of your screen and you can see, okay, it's showing you page 1 of 1. But if you remember, and let me go back to the Excel, here I have somehow 13 lists. How do I get to see all those 13? I can just click on the next button and all the entries will be visible to me, right? Now let's try and get the entire Word which has all the 13 entries within it. To do so, I'll click on Finish and Merge and click on Edit Individual Documents. Now it is asking me whether I want to merge all the records or only this single record, or I can give it a number. Okay, I want record from 1 till 10. So however, in this case, since I want all my records, I click on OK, and what I have here is 13 sheets. You can see here at the bottom, and each of the sheet comes in with a different entry, and it has picked all the entries in sync from my base Excel. Now I can go ahead, take a printout of this, or if I want to save this as a PDF, I can do that. This has really helped in saving a lot of time for me when I wanted similar letter or probably labels to be printed or envelopes to be printed for that matter, and which need to be sent out to X number of employees or X number of people that I had known. So do try this out. Reach out to me in case you face any issues. My email address is msexcel.freak@gmail.com. Also, subscribe to our channel Excel Freak. Have a nice evening. Goodbye.